Good evening. Today I'm going to be discussing chapter 19 of Django, basically user accounts. So in this chapter, basically just adding new topics, right? It's all about adding new topics, new entries, creating a login functionality, right? Topics functionality where you can also basically enter into your topics and make edits as well. As you can see here, I can make an edit. You can add a new entry as well, and even add a new topic. And we know that the topic is linked to basically the entries that you put in. So also a register functionality here where you can register and create an account. And yeah, that's the main things in chapter 19. So basically, if we can start in so we can see here models. As you know, it has the topic and entry class, and basically they are linked by this foreign key. And topic class, this model holds the topic, so the text holds the topic, and then the entry holds the entry, which is the description of the topic, and it returns it over here. Then in views, in order to add the whole functionality to create a new topic, create a new function here, new topic, and within this function we say if request method post. So basically, if you submit a new topic, then all of this will basically be true. So the form will be valid, and then a new topic will be saved, and then you save the new topic, and then you basically redirect after you click submitting a new topic. So when you click submit new topic here, basically it redirects you to the what's this, learning logs, to the topics page, let me say. And then we added a function here for new entry to create a new entry as well, with basically almost the same functionality. And we know that in views, new entry over here, basically what happens is it renders or fetches data from the models .py, so the class is there for topic and entry, and it basically passes it to the new topic HTML. And we know that the new topic HTML displays that page which says add a new topic, so that you can basically add a new topic. So and same with new entry as well. This function here basically uses the render to basically fetch data and add it to the new entry HTML, which is here. And we know that this new entry HTML will basically display an option to add a new entry, as you can see here. So when you click add a new entry, it displays this. Then we also added log in and log out functionality, as well as registering a new account as well. So let's see. So here by this accounts folder and by views, this is for the account. This is the function to register a new account, and basically saying if the request, which is basically what the user does, whether the user presses the submit button or not. So here it says if request is not equal to post. Post is the type of request where you press a button and it basically loads that information to the front end. And so basically saying that form will equal to user creation form, so it will display the form as it is without anything added, or it will go into this else block, and over here it says form is valid, so it makes sure that the form is valid. Then new user form.save, it saves the new user's information when they register. Then log in, it automatically logs them in to their account and redirects you to the home page as well. Then the render basically fetches information from the models and passes it to the register.html, which displays the page for the front end, right? And we know that the register HTML over here has a register button where you click and then you have an option to register. So over here when you click, then there's all of this, right? Usually when I click register here, then basically this this post over here basically enters into this else block when I click register, because here it says if request method is not equal to post, then it enters this, which displays the form as it is, or it will enter this, which is after I enter my information in the registration form. So that's how the registration functionality works. What else? Oh, then also allowing users to, allowing users to own their own data, so like restricting access with add login required. So in order for that to happen, if we go to views, within learning logs, here we imported this login required from this module or from this class, and basically setting this line of code add login required above each function for topics, topic, new topic, and new entry. This basically restricts you from adding a new entry and adding a new topic, editing your entry as well, viewing topics and topic. It restricts you from that if you are not logged in to your account, basically. So if you're not logged into your account, you basically can't access that function, or basically you basically can't make changes to your topics and entries, essentially. But if you are logged in, then you can. That's what that means, basically. So yeah. And also the edit entry method. So as you can see here, you can access your topics, right? And you can edit the entry within your topics. That was basically declared in your views, in our views here. So edit entry, which is the function, and basically here we have this entry variable, which, well, essentially it's an instance. So then they have this entry class, and then accesses object, and then uses a get method to get the ID for the specific entry, right? And then topic, entry.topic, and then this if statement saying if topic owner is not equal to the request user, then you raise the HTTP 4 thing. So it's like saying if the topic owner is not equal to request user, then this error will be raised, essentially. So yeah, just restricting someone who's not logged in, or someone who's not the topic owner. So if you're not the owner of the specific topic over here, so if it's not assigned to your account, then you basically can't access it, and you can't make changes to it as well. So yeah, that was declared here, and we know that the render method basically will pass all the information or all the data that's stored in models over here for entry and topic, and it will pass it to the to edit entry.html. That's after you edit your entry and click submit. And when that happens, it's passed to the edit entry.html, which displays all that new information, or actually displays the edit entry option, so the page, and then you can save the changes that you made as well, as you can see here. So you can click save changes, and then it's presented on this page. So yeah, that's basically the changes that were made in chapter 19. Yeah, just adding new topics, new entries, creating login and registration accounts, and yeah, cool.